Well, hello, YouTube family. My name is Gary Gosling, and I'm here today to talk to you about RV decals. Do you have faded RV decals? Do you want to protect the ones that aren't? Well, I've got the trick for you. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about my Class C Fleetwood Jamboree. Now, it's a 2007, and I bought it used. I want to show you what I used to restore my faded decals. There's the product. Don't spend your money on anything else. You'll be wasting your time. What I found is that this product is really more of a application of clear coat. I can prove it. After applying several coats onto my RV, it looks as though I've had a manicure. I cannot get this stuff off my fingernails. This stuff is like rock solid. So let's go take a look at the results, shall we? The 2007 Fleetwood Jamboree 30 foot is one of the finest mobiles on the road. Motor coach, and I have expensed many hours on refurbishing my decals. With a little bit of Scotch Guard medium grade, I was able to take off the overlapping oxidation, but I wasn't able to really take care of the fine cracks. However, I was satisfied with the end result after putting on the Rejuvenate. Now, as you can see on the upper areas of my RV, I have significant fading. I did not do any Scotch Brite on this particular one. And as you can see, it's still white. However, after several applications of the Rejuvenate, I'm starting to see that it blends nicely with the shine of the fiberglass and other decals. Therefore, it's not the dry look that I had previously. Now, these were in bad shape. Whoever owned this before me must have had this side of the RV exposed to extreme sunlight. However, through this process of numerous applications, I've been able to restore the beauty and luster. Not to perfection, but what's the alternative? New vinyl stickers, big bucks. Now, the biggest problem I had was just with the streaking on the vinyl stickers, especially up front. I just hated the fact that there was nothing I could do about the streaking. I was able to bring back the factory luster on this front cab over to a shine that's unbelievable. However, if you look very, very closely, you might see some of the water lines that were in the vinyl, but when you look from 10 feet away and you look at the shine, you'll find yourself extremely satisfied getting rid of that dull, ugly look. Now, this side of the RV was in much better shape. However, I still did have some fading, and the decals did not shine like the fiberglass. As you can see, after several applications, we've got that luster back. Moreover, I was able to put the same product on all of my mirrors and up here in the front area under my windshield wipers. As you all know, that gets quite white over time, and you keep applying Armor All and other products. This goes on, it's a clear coat, and it's great for your headlights as well. I highly recommend this product if you want to just kind of touch up your older RV and bring back that shine and luster and pride of ownership like I have. Well, there you have it, folks. Gary Gosliga, and that's how you clean up your RV vinyl stickers. Rejuvenate. Don't waste your time with other products. Have a great day. And remember to subscribe and make comments in the box below.